Ever throw your mirrorless or cinema lens into a bag full of sharp objects without a lens cap on? Of course not. That would be asking for scratches. So why do we do it with our iPhones? This is my iPhone 15 Pro Max. After nearly 2 years of daily use, the screen is scratched, but the lenses absolutely pristine. Why? Because I use the PolarPro Lite Chaser case with the Defender to protect them. It saved my lenses from keys, coins, knuckle dusters, flick knives, and all the other shit any self-respecting gent keeps in their pockets. But there's a catch. This system is pricey, and if you saw my review of the new LiteChaser 16 Pro case with the flip-down Defender, you'll know why I can't recommend it. It's plastic, and if you lose it, that's it. PolarPro doesn't sell spare parts. And that's why I'm really excited about a new solution. This is Freewell's Magnetic Lens Protector, designed for their Pro Filmmaker case. It works with the iPhones from the 13 Pro all the way up to the latest 16 Pro and Pro Max cases, as well as their Genius rig, and it snaps on with a super satisfying click. It costs $20 US, it's solid metal, it's strong, and in the couple of months I've been testing it, rock solid. Freewell's case also supports their variable ND filters as well as 17mm threaded lenses, unlike the LiteChaser, making it the obvious choice if you shoot with external lenses. I've fully switched to Freewell cases for both my 16 Pro Max and the Samsung S25 Ultra and purchased both with my own money. This is not a sponsored video, and I've been really happy with them. The lens protector is iPhone only at the moment, but hopefully they do the same for Samsung in the future. The only negative to the Freewell Pro Filmmaker cases is that currently there is no solution that allows you to use 67mm filters on it. If they could release a magnetic adapter that supports 67mm filters like PolarPro do, it would be near perfect. Bottom line, if you care about your camera lenses and want a solid, affordable, reliable way to protect them, Freewell did a really good job here. For me, this is one of the very few iPhone filmmaking accessories I would actually deem essential and can highly recommend. Links below if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.